What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. I know you all see it. Shiba Inu has done somewhat of a recovery, but we are now doing a retracement period as expected. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, the first thing I want to mention here with Shiba Inu is you can see that the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%. And over here on the oscillator, you can see we just now had a little bit of overbuying, but it was such a small amount of buying, and it still says overbuying, meaning that we're probably about to start having a lot of selling pressure because according to the seller pressure and between both of those is a little bit overbought, even though it's a small buy. But yeah, we're probably about to see a retracement here in Shiba Inu. Now, the green areas are our supply and demand areas, showing that we have more demand for Shiba Inu. So it's going to be trading between these channels for a little bit. And then after that, we're probably going to break out on the downside because as you can see here, it's just going further down, like literally. And we have a little bit of an oversold area as well. Huge sell and then a huge buy. So I want to mention this because with Shiba Inu, you can definitely see that the prices are fluctuating a lot. So the next thing that we need to really go over with Shiba Inu is really just the technicals. So as you can see here, Shiba Inu bulls go wild as Shiba posts double-digit gains overnight. So Shiba Inu has recovered from its consolidation pretty much, and the meme coin has offered 13% gains overnight. So Shiba and Ethereum whales continued accumulating the token through the dip, expecting a comeback above the 000051 area. So the total number of unique addresses holding Shiba is close to 1 million as the meme coin comes back. So we are almost at 1 million. Right now we're at 985,000 people inside Shiba. That's 985,951. And then yesterday we had 982,000. So we're having a lot of people at Shiba Inu coming. And if I hit the refresh button, we'll probably see it at 986,000 possibly. Yep, 986,000 now. So we're literally almost at a million. We're going hand in hand right now with Baby Dogecoin trying to get to a million. Baby Dogecoin is almost passing Sheep though. I did a video on that earlier. If you all watch my Baby Doge videos, you will see that Baby Doge is actually starting to grow faster than Sheep, and that's in holders, not in price, but in holders it is starting to grow faster and faster. Now at 981,000. So definitely psyched to see who wins between this, who gets to a million holders first. And I have more Baby Doge, so honestly, I want both of them to hit that amount though. But anyways, let's keep moving on with this Shiba Inu stuff. So the total number of unique addresses holding Shiba is close to 1 million. So I just showed you that. So the Shiba Inu announces Shiba Swap 2.0, a new addition to the ecosystem that supports third-party community products. So Shiba Swap 2.0 is to come out. So after hitting a new all-time high in October 2021, Shiba price dropped below 0.000070. So the meme coin's utility and daily transaction volume recently hit a peak as the AMC theaters started accepting Shiba as payment. So that was the big news that happened previously last week. And also, more news, we have a coffee company that's accepting payments in Shiba and making Shiba Inu products with their coffee, and every single purchase attributes to a burn in Shiba Inu. So that's another huge thing with Shiba Inu's utility. Also, we have BitPay, and now you can purchase things with Shiba Inu over 500 plus stores and restaurants. So that's another big utility with Shiba Inu. So we're having all this huge stuff coming out with Shiba Inu left and right, and then Shiba Swap itself is also another huge utility. So Shiba is having a bunch of use cases coming up out of the woodworks. Now, Shiba posts double-digit gains, starts second leg of bull run. So as you can see here, Shiba did try to do some recovery, but we were actually attacked by some bearish movements here. But everything in the market's going down, so I wouldn't really be scared about what's happening with Shiba Inu. Bitcoin and all that good stuff is actually trying to recover. As you can see, Bitcoin and that was actually Baby Doge, but over here Shiba Inu. But yeah, Shiba Inu is trying to recover. Bitcoin's trying to recover. Everything's trying to get back to that recovery period. But as you can see, we're starting to see a little bit more losses coming inside of everything right now. So don't know exactly what's going to happen. I don't know if this is a bull trap or not. It could quite possibly be a bull trap because this is a huge purchase right here. This is a bunch of buying just coming in huge, like a lot of volume. So this is in Bitcoin, and everything else is pretty much looking the same. So could be a bull trap, but we're not going to be sure until pretty much until it just drops, But anyways, let's keep going with this. So unique wallet addresses holding SHIB is now almost at 1 million. That's big news. 24-hour trading volume of SHIB has flipped Ethereum and Cardano monetarily a few times over the past week. So we're doing more volume than like Ethereum, Cardano here and there. So the meme coin's 24-hour trading volume has crossed to 4.2 billion, all that good stuff. Shiba Inu announced the launch of the Shiba Swap 2.0. That's huge. SHIB's expansion to Dog Park will legitimize third-party products, boosting the utility of the native token. So Satoshi Kusama also said he recently addressed the dog part. Kusama states that the token will be a part of the larger ecosystem, but not part of the core SHIB bone leash trifecta. So SHIB price rally was fueled by a spike in the number of Google searches. SHIB hit 2.8 million searches on Google. That's huge right there. The SHIB army is making SHIB go global right now. So 2.8 million searches on average in November against 6.3 million for Ethereum. So it's almost being searched more than Ethereum. And when people search Ethereum, they're probably searching about their high gas fees and when they're going to switch to Ethereum 2.0. That's usually what people are searching about with Ethereum. Now, we have more stuff going on, SHIB, with the technicals, so I'm going to go over more of the technicals from my point of view. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, let's go over it. So previously, I showed you the technicals a few days ago with this right here, and this was with the whole consolidation that we're having. So on the 18th, I noticed it was started to consolidate, started to draw out this chart, and then yesterday I was like, look, we're going to do some huge movement here, and then boom, we had some huge movement. We broke out of our consolidation. Now today, what I'm noticing here is that it's really not inside of a consolidation period. It's just in a downtrend. So we had a huge breakout here, which inevitably is going to bring us into a downtrend. So now that we're inside of this downtrend with SHIB, we are looking to stop here at this support. Now this support has some demand here. There's a lot of demand. So that's the supply and demand. So when we hit that area, we're more than likely going to rise back up again. But we can only do that but for so long until we eventually hit another downtrend. So this is what I mean by this. So as you can see here, Shiba Inu is topping out here, right? So the next time it goes up after it hits the support, more than likely it will not hit the top of this line. This line right here will not get hit again. So what usually happens, we come a little bit below it. And then what usually happens at that, it'll have like another downtrend, right? And then we'll usually end up starting like right here and stopping right here. So it'll usually end up like, instead of going up like that, it'll go up here, stop there, and then hit the support again, maybe a little bit below the support, go up there, stop again before it has a bigger downtrend. So the reason why I say bigger downtrend is because our next supply and demand area is actually all the way down here. This green area down here, let me use this mouse area. So this green area down here is our next supply and demand. So after our demand here, if we get rejected, then we go down to the 4.0 area, and the 4.0 area is our support. So first it goes to the 4.5, 4.6 area, and then to the 4.0 area as that last standing support. And then if we break that support, it'll be all the way down to the 3.5 area. So that's pretty much what the technicals are showing us on the downside. And then if we were looking at upside momentum and where we could possibly reach on the upside, that would depend if the whole overall crypto market started to go on an uptrend. Like if Bitcoin started to go up, if Ethereum started to go up, if Cardano started to go up, Binance Coin, if all these major coins start to go up, especially Bitcoin, then we'll see Shiba Inu start to rise too. And as you can see, the bulls are still in control by 60%. So there's still some chance for us to go on the uprise here. So what the uptrend would end up breaking us is a shoot all the way up here to this area here. So that is the 520 area, and that is pretty much our major resistance right now. We have to break that. We couldn't break it back here, so I might actually zoom in here so you can see that. So all the way up here, we tried to break that, but since we couldn't break it, we ended up getting rejected right up here. So after we got rejected, that's when we're starting to be inside of our, not consolidation period, but inside of our downtrend here. So we need to pass that 5,200 area because that is a huge area of resistance. But yeah, this is pretty much the technical analysis, just trying to show you all what we got coming up here inside SHIB and what the price could possibly do. If we go on the upside, then we'll end up only reaching to 5,200 before we retest support and then have more momentum. And if we can build up more momentum, then it'll continue to go up. And then for the downside, if we go all the way down here to the 460 and or the 450 area, then that will actually lead to another drop. If we break that area, it'll lead us down to 4,100. So that's pretty much the technical analysis here for Shiba Inu. Just wanted to show you all what I see and what I've been seeing here inside Shiba Inu and what I'm predicting next. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Just going over my points of view and how I believe things are about to go here in SHIB. Remember though, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. It'll really help out the channel a lot. And also, if you want automated trading indicators like this, then definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.